Morning. So here we are, hunting Sgwd. There's Bob. I'm out with Bob today. We're going to check Sgwd Einion Gam. Bob and I are at Sgwd Einion Gam here at Waterfall country. This is one I've not been to before. Bob's been here 4 times. Absolutely fantastic place. Bob did say that this is the least water that he's seen coming from the falls, but he's also said that this is the best it's been. Yeah? Absolutely fantastic. Now I'm going to ask him a question. What does Sgwd Einion Gam mean?
Oh, not again.
Come on.
No, I can't remember. I remember the anvil, but
Fall of the crooked anvil. He told me that on the way down and he keeps forgetting.
I can't remember it again. I'm watching some birds up in the
oh yeah, I saw
waterfall.
Some dippers? Are they dippers?
No, we're one tail.
Oh, where's that, Bob?
We've got halfway up, right down side.
God, you've got eyes like a shithouse rat then, because I can't see them.
Oh, I can't see them now. Oh. There's half my dinner then.
Well, if you'd have grabbed it, you could have had the 10-second rule. It's on the floor when we were a kid. 10 seconds, you got it in your mouth, it would be fine. Yeah. I'm gonna turn it around now for you to have a little look at. Absolutely amazing. After this, we're off to Dinas Rock Waterfalls, which Bob has not been to before. I've been to a number of times. I've been there with Tony G twice.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh, but he's not well at the moment, is he?
No, he's not apparently.
Get well soon, Tone.
Yeah, Tony, take care.
Yeah.
See you soon.